Now we're going to get the height of the tree. The height of the tree is very, very important. If your tree is too tall for the area that you're going to put it in, then the tree is going to have to be topped or taken down some other way. There's a little piece of orange. Actually, there's 2 or 3 pieces of orange. We're going to put our notch right around in there, and that's going to help me with estimating the height of the tree. First thing you do is you walk out to about where you think the tree's going to land. And I'm thinking I'm pretty close right here. And then you get a stick that's pretty long. You're going to need to come over here, Joe. And you get a stick that's pretty long, and you take that stick and you hold it out in your hand, and you put it on your cheek right below your eye. Okay? Not like this, not like that. Straight out. And then you pop that straight up. Now, you don't want this stick to be forward like this. You don't want this stick to be backward like that. You want it to be at a 90-degree angle. So here's an example. Am I at a 90-degree angle? Yeah. By looking at that stick, you can tell that I am. So I want that stick like that. You then look over your thumb, and if you're using your right hand, you use your right eye. And if you use your left eye when you're using your right hand, it will mess you up. You will not get the correct height. So if you're left-handed, use your left eye, right-handed, use your right eye. Close your left eye, using your right eye. Look over your thumb, right where you're going to put your notch. And then, without bending your head up, look up from the top of your head and look where the top of the stick is. The top of the stick should line up with the top of the tree. And it appears I'm a little bit too far back, so I got to go in a little bit. So I take about a step. I do my same deal again. Get mine all lined up. Check the top of the stick. And I'm pretty darn close. Alright, that's the height of our tree. So I put something to mark the height of my tree right here. A rock, a stick, or something. And then what I would do is I would step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's about 28 steps. So we all know that our rope pullers need to be 1.5 times the height, and people not involved need to be 2 times the height. So if it's 28 steps, 1.5 times is going to be my mark for 28, which was right here. 14 more steps this way. 5, 6. So this is where my rope pullers need to be. And then for protection of the public would be another 14 steps. When we set the rope in the tree, my rope puller will be 1.5 times the height. Not necessarily directly in front of the tree. That would be my last choice. You want to get off to one of the sides because the rope puller is just starting the tree in the direction of fall. And that concludes height.